A farmer purchased one cow and one buffalo for rupees 56,000. After some time, he sold the cow at the profit of 20% and the buffalo at the profit of 13%. In this transaction, overall, he got 16% profit. Find the cost price of the cow and the buffalo. Cost price of the cow and the buffalo. So first we write here, let the cost price of a cow or one cow is equal to rupees X, and same way, so we write here ditto, the cost price of one, here we write buffalo, is equal to rupees Y. Therefore, from first condition. What is first condition? If farmer purchased one cow and one buffalo for rupees 56,000, means X plus Y is equal to 56,000. Did you get it? This is our equation number 1. Now, see this. After some time, he sold the cow at the profit of 20%. What is the cost price? Rupees X. Now 20% profit on this rupees X, and for buffalo 13% profit. 13% profit on the cost price of buffalo. Did you get it? In this transaction, overall he got 16% profit, means total amount of a cow and a buffalo is 56,000. On this 56,000, he got 16% profit. Did you get it? Therefore, see here carefully. Therefore, from second condition. What is second condition? 20% profit on the cost price of cow. What is cost price of cow? Rupees X. So 20% of X. 20% of X means 20X upon 100. Did you get it? 20%, 20 upon 100 of rupees X plus 13% of Y, means 13Y upon 100 is equal to, he got 16% of a profit in this transaction overall profit, that is 16%, 16 upon 100 into 56,000. Did you get it? Very simple. So these two zeros cancel. Therefore, now multiplying both sides. First we do here multiplication of this, and then I will tell you. 20x upon 100 plus 13y upon 100. Don't cancel here 0 0. See this 0, 16 6 16 6 96. 96 means 9, no? 16 5 80 and 9. 89. 0, 16 6 96 and 16 5 80. Now multiplying both sides by 100 to eliminate denominator 100. We eliminate these two denominators by multiplying both sides by 100. Therefore, 100 into 20x upon 100 means 100 cancel. 100 cancel. Same way here also 100 cancel, and we multiply here by 100. So we add 2 zeros. This is our equation number 2. Now equate coefficients of any one of the variables. Here multiplying equation 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Therefore, multiplying equation 1 by 20. Here 20x plus 20y is equal to, here 1 2 3 and 4. 20 na? 20 1 0 and 1 2 3. 1 plus 3. How many zeros? 56 into 2. Now 56 into 2. Did you get it? 21 0 and 3 zeros, 4 zeros. Then 2 into 56. What is 112? Means here. See this. Here. 11,20,000. Okay, this is equation number our new 3. Equation number 3. This is our new equation. Exactly below we write equation number 2 is equal to, here 0 0 0 6 9 and 8. Write this way. These are some ideas. Now by signs are same na, then by subtraction, no, 20x cancel, plus minus. Now forget these signs, here plus, forget. 20y minus 13y means 7y. No, 0 0 0 10 minus 6. Okay. 12 minus 10. Carry 1. See this. Now 11 minus 9. What is? Then carry 1, 0. Therefore, I will write here, therefore y is equal to, here 2,24,000 upon 7. Therefore y is equal to 7 3s are 21. 22 minus 21, 1. 1 4 14. 7 twos and is 3 zeros. This is the cost price of one buffalo. Cost price of one buffalo. This is now substituting in equation 1. What is equation 1? See this. X plus y is equal to 56,000. No, this is our equation number 1. We put value of y series 32,000 is equal to 56,000. Therefore, x is equal to 56,000 minus 32,000. Therefore, x is equal to 24,000. 24. See here. Therefore, the cost price of one cow is equal to rupees x, no, is equal to rupees 24,000, and the cost price of one buffalo is equal to rupees y is equal to rupees 32,000.